Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. Today, it's been a while. It's been holidays last few weeks, so Merry Christmas to everybody. We're getting back to doing a few things. At least I am. Today, I'm going to do a little bit of fiberglassing. Got some Bondo fiberglass resin, cloth. What I've done is I've cut out four sheets. Got my brush, my stir stick, cup to mix my resin in. And what I'm going to do is take this cloth, and here on my trunk deck, where the fiberglass part of the plug meets the metal rail of the gutter for the trunk, on the back side I'm going to place these. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to place these around to make this transition, because right now you can see the trunk and this can't be married up. I mean, you can't screw it, you can't weld this. Normally you just run a bead across here, but I'm going to fiberglass the back of this, and on this side this should be fiberglass resin and cloth that you see. And if it's not, I can put a little filler in there, but I have both sides to do. So I'm gonna mix that up. Right now I'm gonna mix this. It's like, I think six or eight tablespoons of product for 10 drops of the hardener. So I'll put it on time lapse and do some mixing, see how it turns out. Okay, it wouldn't work on time lapse. I couldn't get it to stay in one place. So as you can see, I'm trying to do it here just on regular and hold it and do all the other necessary stuff that it takes. So it's not difficult. It's just you want to do it in a good ventilated place. You want to breathe this stuff for very long, but just try to be liberal with the resin. Boy, it will not stay where I want it. Just want to poke it down in where the seam is, I guess you'd call it. Get a good coat on that and then put another one on it. I forgot, and as you can see, I need to put gloves on, but I'll use some thinner on my hands here in a minute before it gets real set up. Get it off of there. You got to kind of work it slow till it stays where you want it. I know some of you probably worked with fiberglass a lot, so you can critique that I'm doing a lot of it wrong. But I'll trim some of that off with scissors. So I think that is a good coating on that. I think I have one more here to put in the top, and I should be done. The top is actually pretty good shape. but I'll put some more on it.